The next step is to edit the junctions where the interior walls meet the exterior walls and where the interior walls cross. MicroStation provides a special toolbox for these operations, and we need to open that one right now. So we will go to Tools and click on Multi-Lines, and I'm going to float the toolbox. Now just take a quick look at the tools available. The first one is the Place Multi-Line tool, which is exactly the same as the one in the Linear toolbox. So if you wish, you can have this toolbox open and work from this for placing multi-lines. The next tool is Match Multi-Lines, meaning that you can match the definition of a multi-line existing in the drawing. This one is Change Multi-Line, so you'd use that to change an existing multi-line to another definition. And this one is Drop Multi-Line, which will drop the definition and the lines to individual single lines. And then we have a series of joint editing tools and tools which will make openings in the multi-lines. We'll be using some of these. Now I'm going to zoom to the corner here, and I'm going to start editing the junction of the exterior walls with the interior walls. Now, since these are dissimilar materials and won't be merged in construction, I want to make a butt joint where the interior walls butt against the exterior walls. So for that tool, I'll be using this one, which is the Construct Closed T-joint. And all I need to do is to select the first line and select the second line and data point. And you can see that the interior has been trimmed to the nearest face of the exterior. Repeat the process up here. Select, select, data point, and we have a trim. We should do that for all of these similar junctions. That's fine. Now let's have a look at the T-joint here. Now, since these are the same construction, then we need to merge them in a true T-junction. So we need to use the Construct Merge T-joint tool. And again, we select that line, and we select that line and data point, and we have a merged T-junction. Now we can zoom to this one. This is now a four-way junction. Need a slightly different tool. That will be this one, a merged cross joint. Select that line, data point, and we have a merged cross joint. Now, please experiment and make sure you have edited the junctions as I did in your drawing. Now, if the edit process doesn't proceed as you planned, either stop the process with the reset button or undo the edit and try again with slightly different data point locations. Sometimes the tools won't quite select the lines correctly. It might take a couple of tries before you have success. This is a fairly complex system, don't forget. And make sure your drawing looks the same as mine, and in the next video we'll start adding the doors and windows.